Hey guys, I thought I would show you how to install Jamovi Desktop on your computer. So on your computer you want to open a browser and we're going to search for Jamovi and we will go to the Jamovi site and you'll see there's a couple options. This is actually new this year. It looks like they are trying something out to run things online. I haven't tried this. This is brand new. Feel free to get into that and play with it. But for now, we're going to go ahead and download and install Jamovi Desktop. So I'm going to click on that option and pick the solid and current. Looks like there's a couple different options there, but we'll just pick that. And once that's finished downloading, you want to run the installer. And there's really no options to select, so you can just click install. I'm going to pause this video while that does its thing. Okay, once that's done installing, you can click the finish button and we can make sure that it got installed by going to Windows, and in your program menu you should see a new folder for Jamovi, and we'll go ahead and open this up. So we're going to get to know this a little bit better this semester. Jamovi is a statistical program which is built on top of R, and it's just a little simpler to operate for running statistical tests. It's a little more point and click, and we will get to know it a little bit better, but over here is kind of like the file menu, and you can start new files or open files, save and export. We will learn what these different windows are, variable data and analyses, and Jamovi does allow you to install some modules. We will be installing some modules for some of the assignments that we'll be doing. So yeah, we'll get to know this a little bit better, but for now, having that installed is where you need to go. And I believe I asked you to just turn in a screenshot of Jamovi once you have it installed. So we'll hit Windows Shift S and take a screenshot of that and turn that in Canvas, just to show that you're able to get this installed on your computer. I hope that's helpful, and we'll talk to you guys later.